Hi, I'm John with Heartland Service, and in this segment we're going to talk about winterization. You'll need a few tools in order to do this. You'll need a screw gun with a square bit, siphon hose with a male fitting, inch and 16th socket, or a 15/16 socket, depending on the model of water heater that you have. So the first thing we're going to do is locate your water heater. Open your water heater up. At the bottom of your water heater, you're going to find either a plastic plug or a steel plug with an anode rod. In this case, it's a plastic plug. You're going to use a 15/16 socket with an extension and a 1/2 inch drive ratchet to remove the plug. Once you've removed your plug and draining your water heater, you'll want to locate your winterization bypass valve. In this particular case, is inside the side compartment. You'll want to turn this valve to bypass. Once we've bypassed the water heater, we want to come around to the Anderson valve at your UDC. We want to set it to winterization. Once we've got it set to winterization, we'll want to hook up our siphon hose. We're going to hook this right to the Anderson valve, right where you'd hook in your main water supply. Once we've done that, we want to put that siphon hose into our antifreeze. And then we'll go inside and run each faucet individually on hot and cold until we begin to see pink flow. You'll want to run the antifreeze through long enough to fill your P-traps with antifreeze. Once you've completed this process, put your stuff away and you are finished for the winter.